बहुत डर था, एंजाइटी थी, will I be able to complete it or not? It just opens up your mind so much, and the eldest was a 58-year-old man.
This bad won't take her back, no one can take her back. We got 2 minutes now before you call my ass again. Yeah, I switched you on the speakerphone. Play this song, just sing along.
हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। सो आज मैं आपको ऐसी पर्सनालिटी से मिलवाने जा रहा हूं जिन्होंने दिल्ली इंडिया गेट से मुंबई गेटवे ऑफ इंडिया तक अपनी राइड कंप्लीट की है साइकिल पे। यस, साइकिल पे उन्होंने अपनी राइड कंप्लीट की है। फीमेल्स के लिए ये बहुत ही बड़ी इंस्पिरेशन है और उनसे मैं आपको मिलवाने जा रहा हूँ आज, और उनसे हम लोग डाइट के बारे में पूछेंगे और वो अपनी जर्नी के बारे में बताएंगे, प्लस इसके साथ वो अपनी ट्रेनिंग के बारे में भी बताएंगे कि वो पूरे दिन में क्या उनका रूटीन रहता है और क्या ट्रेनिंग पैटर्न वो फॉलो करते हैं। चलिए आइए मिलते हैं समीरा औलख से। हेलो समीरा मैम, कैसे हैं आप?
हेलो जसप्रीत, गुड।
सो समीरा मैम, आप थोड़ा सा ऑडियंस को अपने बारे में बताइए, राइट, व्हाट यू डू बाय प्रोफेशन, व्हाट यू डू, एंड आपकी फैमिली में कौन कौन है, और थोड़ा सा इंट्रोडक्शन मेरी ऑडियंस को आप दीजिए।
Hi, I'm Sameera Olak. I'm a fashion designer by profession. I'm a mother of 3 beautiful kids, a yoga buff and a cyclist. I have recently cycled from Delhi to Mumbai, covering a distance of 1460 kilometers. And I think this would have not been possible without the support of my father, my mother and my father-in-law. And big support of my kids and my husband as well. I'm lucky to have been a part of this beautiful journey.
राइट। सो समीरा मैम, आप थोड़ा सा बताइए मुझे, आपने कब ये साइकिलिंग स्टार्ट की एंड कैसे आपने इस इवेंट में पार्टिसिपेट किया? थोड़ा सा मुझे फ्लैशबैक में बताइए थोड़ा सा।
So one fine day, I met my neighbor used to go for cycling, and one day she just met me in the evening and she said, you know, Sameera, why not you come for cycling?
Right.
And you know, I had such a busy profession. The whole week used to be so busy, and you know, looking after the kids. I said, you know, it's a nice idea. I can pick up my cycle on a, you know, Sunday morning and go out. And so I wore my husband's Harley Davidson helmet.
Okay.
I had a normal, my kids' Avon cycle, just a normal cycle. Took that, and we just met 2-3 girls in South City. And we explored the lush green fields of Punjab.
Right.
ऐसे ही धीरे धीरे हमारा ग्रुप थोड़ा बड़ा होता रहा, and then the group was formed and it was named the Girls Peddlers Club, and it was headed by Mrs. Jyoti Goel.
Okay.
And धीरे धीरे, you know, cycling was upcoming in the town, and so events होते रहे. There was one event from CT group of institution. I won over there. Then there was a race in decathlon.
Okay.
So we all the girls, you know, of the group was invited. We went there, and I again, you know, won over there, and I felt, why, you know, it's a nice thing for your own self. So ऐसे ही हम कभी संडे मॉर्निंग्स को 5 AM उठ के, you know, कहीं एक्सप्लोर करने चले गए या कोई इवेंट कर लिया, ऐसे ही धीरे धीरे करते रहे. एंड रिसेंटली इन 2019 आई गॉट टू नो अबाउट ब्रेवेज. I did my Ludhiana, Chandigarh, back to Ludhiana, 200 kilometers breve.
Okay.
And there was a group of cyclists, co-riders थे. बहुत डर था, anxiety थी, will I be able to complete it or not?
Okay.
But I had a very good friend, Megha Jain. She's also a part of Girls Peddlers Club,
Okay,
and a
right.
very nice cyclist of town.
Okay.
So she helped me, and she was my co-rider during the ride, and we went ahead and completed 200 kilometers.
Right.
And I got a lot of courage. I felt so good about myself.
Right.
And then again, I explored, and I wanted to complete a 300, then went ahead to complete my 300 kilometers.
Right.
Then we did 400 kilometers. We also went to Amritsar, Wagah border,
Okay.
and Ludhiana to Amritsar,
Right.
and back to Ludhiana. So it was nice, and you know, the support of co-riders was so nice. I feel in Ludhiana, you know, riders support each other, and that's how, you know, new riders can also come ahead. नहीं तो डर लगता है कि,
Right.
you know, road is not so safe. But हर समय मुझे 2-3 ऐसे अच्छे riders मिलते गए, and मेरी rides complete होती रही. And then lastly I did 600 kilometers
Okay.
from Ludhiana to Delhi and back to Ludhiana.
Okay.
And I had
Like
met
600 kilometer total?
Ludhiana, yes, total जी. Ludhiana से Delhi 300 and back
yes.
to Ludhiana.
Okay.
And we have to complete this ride in a given hours.
Okay.
And so I did in 36.5 hours. I had a co-rider, Jatin Sharma from Jalandhar. I had met him in 300-kilometer brevet, and I called him. I said, I want to do this 600 kilometer. He said, okay, I'm also ahead and I'll also go ahead with you. And we were only 4 riders for that brevet. And somehow we completed that and well in time, and I was quite happy with myself. So that's how my brevet journey ended, and that time I got a lot of appreciation from everyone. A lot of women said it's so nice to see you're following your passion with your profession. So it was powerful, it was happiness, it gave me a lot of happiness. And recently, before the pandemic, I saw on social media this ride from Delhi to Mumbai. And the route looked very amazing, very interesting. I said, this is something very, very interesting. Nothing was on my mind, And somehow me and one of, again, my co-riders from Jalandhar, Jatin, we both signed up for the ride, and we were very excited. When we signed in for the ride, there were only 15 riders in the group. It's organized by Mr. Chiro Mitra, by Delhi Rondoniers. And with time, till the last, we had 43 riders in total who started from India Gate, Delhi. And so on 19 December at 6 a.m.
6 a.m. morning.
Yes, morning 6 a.m. There was very chilly. Some riders were from Kerala, some were from Chennai, Kota, Ahmedgarh, all over India. There were 4 women riders. One was from Bangalore, and the other rider was from Jaipur. She's also an amazing rider, these two, and that's how we all started our journey.
Like, it's a great opportunity to meet other riders as well.
Exactly, G. I think there's so much to learn in this world. When I met them, there was a lot of anxiety the first day when I was going to start, because this is my first ultra cycling thing. But when you meet all these riders, it just opens up your mind so much. And the eldest was a 58-year-old man, and it's so amazing. And everyone's there living their life, and challenging themselves. It's just a test of endurance for your own self. And I also wanted to just test my own self, that let me see how far I can go. So on December 19th at 6 a.m., we all started from India Gate, New Delhi. We were flagged up at 6 a.m. and it was a very chilly, cold morning. So we did our first day, Delhi to Jaipur. Second day was Jaipur to Bhilwara. And then third day, which was the toughest day. They had told us initially only that the third day is going to be the toughest day.
Why?
So there was a lot of elevation on that day. So, and then suddenly, temperature change bhi hone lag jata hai. So that
due to weather?
Due to weather and also elevation, So we did from Bhilwara to Ratanpur, and we were, after crossing Udaipur, it was quite tough, because at night it was challenging. Bilkul raat ho gayi thi, and we reached around our hotel at 8:30 at night. So day 4 was Ratanpur to Vadodara, and then day 5 was Vadodara to Vapi, and day 6 was Vapi to Mumbai. So that is how we were completing every day 200 plus kilometers, and there was hydration points. After a few kilometers, we used to get a hydration point where they used to supply us, electrolytes and energy drinks and protein in a form of boiled eggs, energy bars. So we used to stop there. Lunch anywhere, wherever the riders wanted to eat, they could eat themselves. It was very well organized that way. And that's how we all had a fabulous time on this beautiful journey. And meeting all these riders from all over the country was amazing. Everyone didn't have a similar speed. Some were a little slow, some were little, very, very fast, and some were in between as well. But every time there were few kilometers you used to go, and you used to be all alone, and then suddenly you used to see your cyclist friend, and you used to feel, oh wow, someone you met, you're meeting your co-rider. Then you would discuss, oh, आज मेरे से नहीं cycle चल रही, आपसे चल रही है, आज headwinds हैं, tailwinds हैं, elevation ऐसी है. And ऐसे बातें करते करते, उनका experience share करते करते, every day went on very well. Third day, as they had said that it's going to be very hard, I completed my ride very well in time. And we have a fabulous Punjab se co-rider, Mr. Kanwar from Patiala. And he had reached before me. He was doing it on tandem. And when I reached, and he was so happy, and he gave a pat on my back. He said, Sameera, I'm so proud of you. You've completed your journey this third day very well in time. And, that gave me a good, happiness. And I felt, yes, the next 3 days I I will be able to complete.
Right.
Because every day in this journey, I never thought that I'm completing 1460 kilometers. Every day when I used to get up in the morning, I used to think, okay, I have 200 these many kilometers. I just need to complete those well in time and, you know, not put my body into fatigue.
Right.
And that's how I did
You
my
used
ride.
to like do fast cycling or like normal
I was
pace?
somewhere in the middle. On my
Right.
normal pace, because they generally say कि अपनी body को fatigue में ना डालिए, you
Right.
know. I met a very nice co-rider from Faridabad, Mr. Rahul, on the first day, and he told me, don't go so fast, you know.
Right.
Keep checking your heart rate, and if
Right.
your heart rate is maintained, you'll be happier, you know, and you'll
Right.
be, because एक दिन की नहीं है ये race, you know.
बिल्कुल
You
लंबी
have to get up every day and go on for next 5 days, you know.
Right.
So that's how, you know.
Like जब भी आप एक दिन कंप्लीट कर लेते हो, it will give you a motivation, right?
Very, I think a lot of happiness. First day you would complete. I would go to the hotel, and you know, we would be having our organizers over there, seeing all of them, you know,
Right.
seeing few riders who had completed and their smiling faces. It used to be such a good sense of pride and happiness to your own self. And this is
Right.
something you do for your own self, because I feel you should always be a work in progress. I feel that you should always master your own self. This is
Right.
your life, and it's your masterpiece after all. Make it the best.
Right. How your family supported in this ride?
So my kids are my biggest supporters.
Right.
Initially, I was practicing prior to the ride. 4 months prior, I
Right.
started my practices, and in between, you know, I got very bad hurt on my knee by a co-rider. I was hit. And I thought I won't be, you know, going back. And there was only 20 days left for G2G. And I said, I won't be able to cope up. But my kids were my biggest supporter that time. They all said, no, mom, you can do it. You've always told us that, you know, get the courage and
Right.
heal fast. And so I took my rest in the right way, and they supported me. So working out for this ride, and I think... you know, if I completed this ride well in time and, you know, proudly and gracefully, there was a lot of struggle, perseverance, and consistency, which everyone went through. I think whoever was riding with us, everyone did their practice. And I think some riders even did more than me, you know, they completed breves also.
Okay.
But in my way, I started doing century rides. So in the morning at 4:30, I used to start my ride from my house. कभी लुधियाना से जलंधर चले गए and
Right.
back to Ludhiana, you know. कभी लुधियाना से GT road पकड़ लिया. So you go towards Doraha and complete near Ambala से पहले take a U-turn. So I used to do my century rides. Initially I started doing 4-5 rides in 1 month, and then धीरे धीरे I started doing alternately. Then I started doing 3 times in a week as well, my century rides. I used to keep my driver in the गाड़ी, पीछे वो मेरे पीछे 20 kmph पे चलते थे.
Right.
And it's his big support, you know, because somewhere in this country, you know, थोड़ा सा women के लिए it's unsafe.
Yeah.
People at home also, you know, they are bothered about you. कोई hit ना कर जाए, some, you know. So that's how I did my ride.
Right.
And
Why did you choose this ride only? Like आपने कैसे इसमें इंटरेस्ट आया आपका? एंड बिकॉज आपने पहले जो राइड कंप्लीट की है लाइक 600 किलोमीटर्स, आपके मन में कभी ऐसा नहीं आया कि ये बहुत लंबी राइड होने वाली है, लाइक कि आप कर पाएंगे या नहीं? ऐसे थॉट्स माइट भी आपके माइंड में
बहुत सारे थे ऐसे थॉट्स कि कर पाएंगे कि नहीं, will I be able to actually achieve my target? But I had always thought, if I don't feel right or something, I will give up, I will quit. But at least I need to test my endurance level, you know, it is for my own self. And as I said, you know, I always feel keep working hard, keep chasing your dreams. And that's how this was one of my dream, right? And I had told the organizer, the moment I'm going to reach Gateway of India in Mumbai, I'm going to keep my cycle and do my headstand, because
Right.
this is 2 things. These are my meditation, and I did it.
I saw that pics.
Yeah.
You are doing headstand.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. I think वो आपने जब आप गेटवे ऑफ इंडिया
India
पहुंचे थे
yes.
मुंबई में, तब आपने वो किया था.
Yes, yes,
तो
yes.
मैंने वीडियोस वो देखी हैं, राइट?
Yes.
एवरीवन इज क्लैपिंग.
Yes, yes. Mr. Chiro Mitra, who's the organizer, he told me I had got my pictures clicked pehle, but he said, you know, right now do after the, you know, medal ceremony. And I said, yeah, why not? You know, it was happiness, and see, the body didn't get into fatigue. I was not feeling tired at all.
Right.
I had thought after this ride for 4 or 5 days I will be sleeping. But nothing like that. I think, the food was taken care of. They had supplied us, breakfast was being served every day in the morning. Dinner was being served. In between, like all the hydration points were really taken care of. We used to fill ourselves with electrolytes, water. Kabhi रास्ते में sugarcane juice दिख गया, वो पी लिया. Fresh juice दिख गया, कीनू का, वो पी लिया. And all these natural things gave us so much energy. And especially for lunch, when I met all these riders, so everybody used to say, have lassi, have charge, which is thanda, have rice, have dal, and have, potatoes, boiled potatoes. It's so nice to see that these, very simple diet के ऊपर तुम, कर सकते हो कोई भी ऐसी लंबी राइड. नहीं तो हम सोचते हैं we need to eat something very fancy to actually give our taste buds a nice cake and or to have that energy. But I think the natural food of India is beautiful. Yes.
Yeah, because usme there are packed of nutrients, vitamins, minerals, energy, right? Ma'am, any challenges you faced during this ride? और क्या क्या challenges आपको face करने पड़े, तो वो थोड़ा सा बताइए.
Jasprit, I think God was very, very kind to me. I didn't face any challenge in terms of my cycle. So I didn't have one puncture in the whole trip. But yes, my co-rider Megha Jain from Ludhiana, she faced 2-3 punctures, and we used to stop, get it done, Sometimes I went ahead and she would get her puncture done and, catch up with me. And, heat was one thing. I think the last few days we felt the heat and it was very hot, We started with the chilly morning. It was so cold in Delhi. And then suddenly temperature change was one thing which we all felt. Right. And so many kilometers we used to be cycling, and suddenly when I used to meet my co-riders, I can never forget, I was cycling for the last 2-3 days with Manish Chenji and Ashutosh Vyas from Indore. And when I saw them after a few kilometers, and they said, okay, you'll have sugarcane juice, and we had that sugarcane juice. And it was the best feeling ever. It was like, oh my God, this is like heaven, So it's beautiful, and challenges, not majorly.
सो मैं समीरा मैम, आपने जैसे बताया कि जैसे आप वहाँ पे पहुँचे, यू डिडंट फेल्ट एनी फटीग, एंड जब आप वापस भी आए आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग दिस 6 days राइड, आई थॉट कि कहीं ना कहीं आपकी हार्ड वर्क प्लस आपकी जो ट्रेनिंग आपने की, इससे पहले आपने राइड्स कंप्लीट की, इवन आप कह रहे हैं कि आप 2015 से ये कर रहे हैं साइकिलिंग, तो उसका भी पार्ट है. तो कैन यू एक्सप्लेन दिस, लाइक आप बता सकते हैं कि आपके ट्रेनिंग रूटीन क्या है and what you do throughout the day?
Well, I think, after 6 days, the moment we completed the ride, I didn't see any rider who was into fatigue. Everyone was so happy, cheerful. It was a sense of pride. I think that happiness went into us ki koi fatigue hi nahi thi. And also I would want to tell you that all these days when I was cycling over there, I think I was glowing more than what I glow in my, simple living life, because I think I was eating good, I was hydrating myself well, and I think when you're cycling, you're only thinking very, very positive. You cannot think negative about anyone or your own self, because you have a goal, you have a target to achieve, and you're just going on your own thing. It's kind of a meditation. And I felt, like I had my crew member, and they used to tell me every day, look at you, you're glowing today. And I used to say, yes, I don't know what's happened to me, why am I glowing? So the 6th day, except my tanning on my face, which you can see right now, nothing else was there. I was the happiest. And yes, credit goes to the hard work which we all did. My century rides really made me strong. My speed increased, my stamina increased that way. I have a very nice friend, Sonia Tuteja. She's from Sonipat. She's a cyclist herself. She really used to give me good tips. She used to read my Strava very well, and she used to always message me back, this is your weakness. And also I think somewhere the credit goes to my yoga. I think I've been doing yoga with Mr. Guddu since 2 years, and it has really improved my core. And we work on different asanas, and I'm also into strength training. I have worked, been working on my body since 3-4 years. I think all these factors really get you to where you are today. I think it does matter, and it did give me that kind of support.
Okay, so ma'am, like अभी जैसे आपने ये राइड कंप्लीट की है, you are a housewife and you are a fashion designer as well. So there are other females as well जो ये सब करना चाहते हैं बट वो कर नहीं पाती क्योंकि हमारा कल्चर ऐसा है. यहाँ पे फीमेल्स मैंने देखा है जनरली इतना पार्टिसिपेट नहीं लेती हैं इवेंट्स में, मेल्स ही ज़्यादा पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं और जिम भी इवन जो जाते हैं वर्कआउट एंड करते हैं. अभी फीमेल्स आ रही हैं बट इतना नहीं है कि हर फीमेल नहीं कर रही है. सो आप उन फीमेल्स को क्या एडवाइस देना चाहेंगे कि जिससे वो मोटिवेट हो? कुछ की पॉइंट्स हैं आप उनको बताना चाहेंगे?
I think, Jasprit, I would really want to urge all the female riders, all over the country, or even housewives, or whatever profession you are. I think we should all get out of our comfort zones and, chase your own dream, do anything for your body. Do running, do cycling, do skipping, do some form of exercise because our body is our own temple,
right.
Somewhere we need to respect our body. That's going to be with us forever. So why not give it little time? In the day we have 24 hours, so why not 2 hours in any form of exercise, right. which will do very well. And also it gives you a lot of positive energy,
right.
which also helps you in daily life because itni bari hamari life monotonous ho jati hai and you want some positivity all the time. You want to keep going on, so that's it. And I think one life, live it to the fullest. I think everyone should live it to the fullest and master their own selves very well.
Thank you so much for coming to my YouTube channel.
Thank you.
In the end, अगर आप कुछ कहना चाहते हैं ऑडियंस से तो आप कह सकते हैं.
I would just want to say the best view always comes after the hardest climb. So go out and work on your own self.
Yeah, I count it. Flying to heights you'll never see. Like a red tights in your degree. Lay down at night, my bed's not free. No, my bed's not free. Big back, no heart attack. You got a bad, no this and that. This bad won't take her back. No, it won't, can't take her back. We got 2 minutes now before you call my ass again. Yeah, I'll switch you on the speakerphone. Play this song, just sing along. Da 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 da. I said da 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 da. Song, sing along. Da 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 da. I said da 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 da. Play this song, just sing along. This song, just sing along. I made a list I can't forget. Now back to this song, not again. I know you missed that we were friends.
I hope you like the video. अगली वीडियो में मिलते हैं. Thanks for watching.